Oh yeah. Sesifikile sicacile ngendoda-ke njengoba khe sakhuluma ukuthi ekugcineni kwelanga angeke sikhambe nomuntu usizo bathi iphimbo or umphimbo or iphunga. Yeah, sithi iphunga elinjengaleli silizwileko, so then we have decided ukuthi siphume naye sokuthiwa simthengele impahla and then lezi zakhe lezi abezikhona sikhiphe lezi zakhe lezi bezikhona ngaphakathi sibambe beka le dish pass nibheke ukuthi siyomtirisa sathi nazo-ke lezi bekazigcokile iphamvu ungasabi ukuzibamba ngicale ngento zokugeza akunamuntu ophila emhlabeni ongaphila so and then-ke samthengela isikohlelo nensipha nento zokugeza namarobho nempahla nazizisha from kwamanye nje nethi kushela ukuthi ukutshela amazipho la mara-ke ngiyambona utirisa siyakhona ukuthi simthathe khulutshisa ababukeli batshela ukuthi uyathokoza ofuna ukuthola abantu bekhethu.
My name is Brady. I would like to be here.
You like to be here? You can't be here. You have to go back home. You are so grateful for Identical Force team to assist you like this.
I'm grateful for assisting the community and the company.
You want to go back? Can your home recognize you? You cannot touch her anymore. Can you just remember, or can you try to say something? Can you tell him about it? Phela isilungu lesinokuhamba nyana sibuye ngokwakhona. Ukhazi mfo. Phela nje ungakamnandi siyakhona ukukuthimba izo phela lokho comment enza so. Yabona? Ngicabanga ukuthi khuluma-ke bachazisele mfowethu. Itsho.
Can you try to explain maybe in terms of your
how can I say
where are you originally from?
From Yalu State Extension 3, where I used to stay, but I still stay there. It's now my semi there.
I had people after we posted you, they are saying that you are just going around and you jump the windows, you go inside just to get sleep. You know, is that true? Where were you sleeping?
I was sleeping with
Tell them that you're not smoking now, but you're just a cool guy. It's just that you are just looking for a better life. Tell them.
I'm not smoking, I'm a good guy.
Identical Force. Together advancing people emancipation.
Together advance for people.
Praat Afrikaans.
Together advance full vacation.
One thing about Identical Force sihelebha ngendlela zonke esikhona ukuhelebha ngazo nangubafu sisamfunela bekhaya okhona umaziko sicela si-assiste simtholele bekhaya. This is Identical Force Unresolved Matters.
Siyabonga njengoba nibonile mfowethu uzohlala phansi la ngicabanga ukuthi bangashaya ingoma sibone ukuthi vele le basishanjani. Kuhlale phansi lapho mfowethu hlala phansi. You want to show us how you dance there?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Okay, let's see. Yes, you want to see people. Yes, because at the end of the day, you have to be happy until your family finds you happy, right? Show us what you can do.
Yeah.
Music. Yes. Show. Yes.
Billy Maru.
Show us, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey.
In the camera.
Come on. Show us. Yes. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Yes.
Yeah, man. You dance like that when yes.
Yes.
When I want you to take your his wife. It's enough for it. Enough for this.